Hey, good morning. Today we're leaving Virginia and we're heading down to North Carolina. But we're going to take the back roads to get there. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
We headed south out of Crozet, winding through the Virginia countryside. Soon we ended up on a 4-lane highway going through Virginia. All right, we're on Route 29 south through Virginia towards North Carolina. And let me tell you, this is a great road. It's not an interstate, but most of the time it's 60 to 70 miles an hour with very, very few lights. So if you ever need to take 29 through Virginia, I'd recommend it. Great road, and it's a beautiful day. It's not raining. All right, so now we're in North Carolina. We're off 29, and to get to our location, we have to take 86 south. So we're going to be on 2-lane roads, as you just saw, through North Carolina to our final destination, which is Chef Tony's home, to learn how to cook on a smoker. All right, here we go. So Sue, it looks like we arrived to Chef Tony's Smokehouse here in the North Carolina foothills.
Yay!
It's pretty calm here, no one's around. I see they do have a watchdog over there, but he doesn't notice us, so we're good to go. So let's go ring the bell and see what's all about, right?
Right.
All right, let's go. Let's go to Chef Tony's Mountain Smokehouse. I think they have a sign now for their guests. Oh yeah, there it is, right there on the door. Let's take a look. Chef Tony's Mountain Smokehouse. Well, let me
ring the bell.
Ring the bell. Let's see who answers.
I ready.
Well, look who's here!
Yes?
We'd like to have some smoked meat, please.
Well, smoked meat will start tomorrow.
All right.
What time would you like it to start?
Anytime. What do you got there? That's a butt?
This is the Boston butt.
And what's
And
that?
we got, baby back ribs.
Oh, wow.
So basically, that's what we do.
So what did you do? Give up pizza?
Pizza's on hold.
So now we're doing smoking meat.
We're smoking now.
All right, that's good. All right. So when do we start? 5 o'clock?
5 a.m.
5 a.m.
5 a.m. We take this Boston butt.
Right.
Right. And
Right.
We put the rub on it.
Right.
Put the mustard first.
Okay.
Then we put rub.
Right.
And then we put it on the smoker.
Right. Oh, that sounds
Right.
like fun.
And then we have to cook for breakfast.
All right.
And so we have to hunt for breakfast.
Right,
All
right.
So we take my pellet grill.
Right.
And we look for squirrels.
Oh, good. Squirrels.
Squirrels for breakfast.
Okay, good. Squirrels for breakfast while waiting for the meat to
Wait for the meat.
smoke.
Meat for
Okay.
dinner.
And do you have overnight accommodations here?
We do.
Oh, that's great. Is our room ready?
It is outside.
All right, so here we go. So let's get inside and unpack, and then tomorrow
come on
morning,
in. Come on
5
in.
o'clock in the morning, we'll be smoking some meat.
We're smoking.
All right.
All right.
What do you have to say? What's your motto?
My motto is anything goes.
Anything goes. All right. There we are. Meat. Here we are at Chef Tony's Mountain Smokehouse.
Yes, we got some meat.
We got the meat. All right. Here we go. All right. Good morning. It's early. It's almost 5 a.m. The life of a smoker is not an easy one. They have to get up early to get the meat ready, and we're going to follow the process today. And if you think I'm kidding, take a look at my... Just about 5 a.m. Okay, let's go out in the kitchen and see what's going on, because we're going to smoke some meat today. Ready? Let's go. Chef Tony, you out here? Are we smoking some meat today? It's 5 a.m. and we're smoking some meat.
All right. Hey,
Here we go.
What else are you gonna do, right?
Here's the meat, and we're gonna walk you through the process of how this is done. First process, I guess you went to the store to buy this, right?
Yes.
What does this cost a pound?
I don't know, like $1.99.
So this whole piece,
$1.99?
is cost $15. So you
$15.
could feed your family for a while, a couple
yeah.
weeks on this, right?
You could. It's
Couple
definitely
meals?
a couple meals.
Couple meals, $15. All right, so let's get the process going.
I started the smoker.
Oh, you did? Okay, smoker's going?
225.
225, okay.
All right, and then you're supposed to take this out for an hour ahead of time to maybe come up to room temperature a little bit, but it's the middle of the night, so we'll make
Okay,
exceptions.
and if you think it's think we're faking it, let's go outside. As you can see, it's still night out. We're in the back here. You can see the smoke coming off the smoker. Coyotes in the back. Wow, maybe we'll see one. Here's the smoker. You can see the smoke rising. It's been on for how long now?
Just a couple minutes.
All right, so tell us about the smoker. What's the brand? What's the make? It's Camp Chef.
Camp Chef.
You can see that, Camp
Yeah.
Chef. And
Pellet smoker. So put the pellets in. Could be any type of wood chips, like wood. Could be hickory, cherry, and you just feed it in here, and it feeds it underneath, right into this box that burns it, and brings it up to whatever temperature you set. But it's electronic too.
so you got to plug this in.
Plug it in.
So you plug it in, and there's an electronic control where you put the temperature that you want. Can't see it right now. We'll show you later. There's the pellets there, and can you open it?
You can open it. Go ahead.
Whoa! Listen to it.
Yeah.
Wow, it sounds like
Complete grill.
sounds like a flamethrower.
It is. It is. Yeah.
Wow, pretty cool. All right,
Yeah.
let's get this baby going. All right, here's the steps. First step, take the meat out of the wrapper. So this is called a butt, but it's what? The upper shoulder?
Upper shoulder.
Upper
Right.
shoulder of a pork, of a pig?
Of a pig.
Upper shoulder of a pig. That's
Yeah.
quite a shoulder there.
Boston butt.
Wow.
Yeah.
Don't let him butt hit you.
Yeah.
Next step, you can take off some of the fat.
Yeah.
Just trim it to your liking. Nice.
All right.
All right. All right, it's all trimmed up.
Yeah.
Let's get rid of this fat.
Go for that.
I put on my cereal in the morning. Good.
Yeah. All right.
All right, trimming's done, and what are you doing now?
This is the binder, and then you put on the rub.
Oh, so
this helps it bind to the pig.
Well, what is that?
Just yellow
Plain mustard. So
Yeah.
plain yellow mustard is
Yeah.
used as the binder.
Yeah.
I never knew that. What a great idea.
Is it?
Yeah. Okay, so after the mustard's on as a binder, then you do the rub?
Rub.
And what rub are you using? Chef
Barbecue
Tony?
Bros.
And you can find this Chef Tony in any local store?
No,
Or
I don't
online?
know about that. I bought it online.
Online, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And this is a Texas style. They have
Texas
a
style.
we had one of Kansas City style, which actually I like better,
Ah.
a little bit better than the Texas style, but they both
Still
are
pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it right on there. Sprinkle it on. All right, it's time to go to the smoker.
Now you go to the smoker.
Here we go.
$175, $200, $225 up there.
So we're doing it 225.
225.
Is that the general recommended number? 225?
Yeah, smoking pork. Uh-huh.
Smoking pork, 225. Okay, let's get that on there.
That's it.
That's it, close it up.
Close it up.
Go back to sleep?
Go back to sleep, yeah.
Okay.
See you in 12 hours.
All right, 12 hours.
Now, then we gotta do the mop. We have to mop it too.
Oh, we do? We got to mop it? Oh, we got to see how that goes. Hey, so it's morning, but you've been up all night
all
since
night.
we last filmed, and
Yeah.
you've been working on this, and I see you have something
I have.
like a mop. Is that for the floors?
Yeah, I just did the floors.
You did? Okay.
Yeah, so now we'll do the meat.
Okay, so how's this work? What is this?
A mop.
Yeah, but what's in the liquid?
That's special ingredients.
Of what?
I can't tell you.
Yeah, you can tell me. Tell me!
Huh? Well,
Tell
all right,
me!
you want me to get the ingredients?
Yeah, they get the ingredients. But first, before you get to the ingredients, what's the purpose of mopping? Why do you do it?
Well, you want to keep it moist on the outside so it doesn't dry out. It helps it produce a nice crust on the outside.
Okay.
So that's why you mop.
Oh,
you
you do.
have to mop. Sometimes I've seen videos where they don't mop.
Okay.
I've seen them when they do mop.
Okay.
So, you know.
Okay, good.
I figure I'll just mop. You want me to tell you the ingredient list?
Yeah, what's the ingredient? What is this? It looks like oil.
Actually, it is oil in here. So
I could see that. Pepper?
Oil.
No?
Vegetable oil, cider vinegar, water. You put water in it, and then some dry rub. And Worcestershire sauce, did I say that right?
Wow.
And then soy sauce.
Oh, wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll go outside a minute. You can show us how you do it.
We can do
Okay.
it now.
All right, let's go.
Sure.
All right, so before we learn how to mop, let's do a quick tour of the smoker since it was dark last night when we were out here. So what is this thing?
So I stuck in a temperature probe into the meat.
Okay.
So if you look at the temperature down here, you can get the probe temp. That's actually the current temperature of the meat.
Oh, okay.
48.
Okay.
And then if you hit this, this is the actual temperature of that set.
The setting. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can set this to multiple temperatures.
Right.
I see that here it has a smoking temperature, which is lower, and it actually has a grilling temperature, which is higher.
Right.
Where you can set it to like 350, 375.
Right.
And then the pellets come out of the dispenser, correct?
Correct.
And then the
Feeds
machine,
into a hopper, and where it burns it down inside here.
and then the machine keeps the exact temperature. Pretty close. Pretty close.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That's
so
a
you
neat
just
little
hit this.
setup.
So actually, it's nice just to see the temperature real time
Of the meat.
Because I know at 160 I need to wrap the meat in tin foil.
Ah, okay.
So I'm waiting for that to happen. But right now I'm gonna do a mop on it.
Okay.
So we can watch that.
Okay, let's do the mop. All right, let's mop.
All right.
Whoa, look at that meat.
Looking good,
Holy
right?
moly. Wow.
All right. So it's mopped.
It's mopped.
Mopped.
Okay. And how often do you do it?
Every couple hours.
Every couple hours until it's 160?
Well, until 160, then we wrap it.
Then you wrap it up.
So
Okay.
that's my last time I'm gonna mop.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I'll just wait till it gets to 160.
And how long do you usually keep it wrapped for?
So from one temperature of 160 all the way up to like 196. You
Okay.
gotta wait till it gets to that 196 temperature. The reason that you put tinfoil on, because at some point you don't want the outside to get too dark.
Right,
and too
right.
burnt. So
Okay.
The wrapping prevents it from getting darker.
Okay.
And burned.
Okay.
Not burned on the outside.
Okay.
But you just don't want it too dark.
Okay. All right, so it's been on for 6 hours. What are we doing now?
Wrap it.
You have to wrap it? Why do you wrap it? So the coyotes don't get at it? Oh, so the coyotes don't get at it. Oh, I got it.
Protects the outside.
Okay.
You don't want it from getting too dark.
So it keeps the outside from burning.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. This is called the wrapping process, done in about 6 hours. How do you know when it's time to wrap it?
165 degrees.
So when it gets to 165 degrees, you got to wrap it. All right, so remember that. It's very important. Here we go. We're going to take it out and wrap it up. All right, so the probe goes back in. We're going to close it up.
Let's see. See if it shows the meat. So I showed it at 163 before. As long as it stays around there, then I know I got it in a good spot.
Okay.
I think.
And you have it set at 220. And it comes
Yeah.
off at what temperature?
Like 196.
196, you
So
take it
now
off.
it's like it will
Slow
slowly
cook up,
rise.
slowly
It'll take
rise.
another 6 hours. I mean,
Okay.
Hopefully it's done by 6 p.m.
And so the amazing thing is this grill will dispense the pellets
Yeah.
into the burner
Yeah.
and automatically keep your temperature where you set it at.
Right.
That's pretty cool.
It is cool.
Good stuff.
It is a cool thing. It's fun to do.
It's fun to do. And here we are.
You would like it.
The bros are smoking.
Smoking meat.
Smoking meat in North Carolina.
Smoking pig.
Smoking pig. All right.
It's all done. So now it reaches temperature of 196 or so. So it's time to take it off. You let it sit for about 30 minutes or an hour, and then it's time to eat.
So wait, so Chef Tony, this cooked a lot faster than you
did cook faster.
expected, correct?
Yeah.
So it's only about 3 in the afternoon. So how long was it on there for? maybe 6, 7, 8, 9.
5 o'clock. What is that, 10 hours?
10 hours, so cook faster. All right, so we're gonna have an early dinner. All right, let's get in the house.
All right.
Looks like rain. All right. All right, let's take a little taste. Okay, so the first thing you do is pull the bone out, correct?
And you know it's good when it comes
Comes right out.
out.
Look at that. Wow. Wow, you should use that for something.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a doorstop.
Huh? Lexi, where's Lexi?
Yeah. So what were you saying?
So you see that pink on the top there?
Right.
That's the penetration of the smoke into the meat.
Oh, and the rub too, right?
Well, the rub's on the outside,
Okay.
but really it's mainly
It's
the
the smoke going
That's
in.
The smoke. It's called a smoke ring.
Oh, is it called? What's it called?
Smoke ring.
Smoke ring. So
Yeah.
it actually has a name.
Yeah, yeah.
So here, if you've never seen it, that pink is a smoke ring. All right.
Yeah.
All right, time for a taste. Excellent.
That's good? That's good.
Really good. All right, so there you have it. That's how we do smoke. You do smoking down at Chef Tony's Smokehouse here in the foothills of North Carolina. All right? Come on down. Check us out. Until next time, safe travels.